Hello and welcome to this video on what is JavaScript. JavaScript is a scripting programming language that allows you to write programs that runs inside the web browser and adds interactivity and behavior to a website. You may have heard of the programming language called Java. Java is not related to JavaScript. Java was very popular when JavaScript was first introduced in 1995, and for marketing reasons was named to take advantage of Java's popularity, hence the name JavaScript, which it has since been stuck with. The real name for JavaScript is ECMAScript, which was named after the ECMA organization that is responsible for the language standard. There has been several versions of ECMAScript. The most recent version is version 6, which is not yet adopted by all major web browsers. The version 3 is what is currently adopted by all major web browsers. The standard web technologies has 3 main layers. The first layer is the HTML. This is the markup language that we use to structure and give meaning to our web content. For example, defining paragraphs, headings, and data tables, or embedding images, videos, and audios to a page. The second layer is the CSS, which is the style rules that we use to apply styling to our HTML content. For example, the setting of the background color, the positioning of the various images, the way the pages lay out, the type of fonts used for the content, all that is done using CSS. The third layer is JavaScript, which is a scripting programming language that enables you to control things like multimedia, animating images, and any interaction on the web page. This is Facebook, a very popular website. What you can see is the combined output of the 3 distinct layers of code: HTML, CSS, JavaScript, put together by the browser. When you visit a website, the browser pulls down the HTML first and indexes its content. It then downloads and applies any CSS to the HTML, followed by the download and running of JavaScript. JavaScript is kept running inside the web browser in the background just to wait for any interaction to occur. An example of interaction can be entering your email or password. In this video, I covered what is JavaScript. In the next video, I will be talking about JavaScript syntax. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video.